If the time taken by a hot body to cool from 50 to 40 degrees Celsius is 10 minutes, when the surrounding temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So in the first situation, it is given that the temperature of object is changing from 50 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, and in a time of 10 minutes. So we can take it as initial temperature is 40, final temperature, initial temperature is 50, final temperature is 40, and time taken for this process is given as nothing but 10 minutes. And the surrounding temperature is given as nothing but 25 degrees Celsius. So we can write according to Newton's law, that is dt divided by dt is equal to, we can take it as a constant into temperature of object minus temperature of surrounding. So over here difference in temperature is 10 and time taken for that is 10 minutes is equal to constant into temperature of object. We know that we need to go for average analysis. So for 50 to 40, so we can take the average value as nothing but 45. So we can write it as nothing but 45 minus temperature of surrounding, which is given as nothing but 25. Like that we can write for the second situation. So in second situation it is given that the time taken for its cool from 40 to 30 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature is changing from 40 to 30 degrees Celsius, and when the surrounding temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. Now the surrounding temperature is changed. Now it becomes equal to nothing but 15. So if we are writing the same equation, so we can write this as change in temperature is 10. Time taken for that is we need to find out the value for that, and constant C and temperature of object, again we need to go for the average value, which is 35. So we can write this 35 minus 15. Now we can divide these two equations. So this 10 and 10 get cancelled. So we can write this as T divided by 10 is equal to this constant term get cancelled. So we can write this 45 minus 25, which is equal to 20, divided by 35 minus 15, that is also equal to 20. So we can write this as equal to 1, or the value of T will be equal to nothing but 10 minutes. So over here, when it was cooling from 50 to 40, atmospheric temperature or surrounding temperature was 25, and when the temperature was changing from 40 to 30, the surrounding temperature was 15.